The DJI Neo 2 is getting a lot of attention right now because of its rumored upgrades. It could bring big improvements in camera quality, flight performance, and smart features. This makes it an exciting option for both professionals and hobbyists. Some leaks suggest it will have a 1-inch sensor with 20-megapixel resolution. This would allow for sharper images and better low-light performance. It is also expected to record 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, which is great for high-quality filmmaking. Another big change could be its improved obstacle avoidance and AI-powered tracking. These features would make flying safer and more intuitive. If the rumors are true, the Neo 2 might be one of the most advanced drones in its category. DJI has not confirmed anything yet, but the leaks suggest it could be a major upgrade over previous models. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is the camera. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to have a 1-inch sensor, which is much larger than previous models. This means it can capture more light, resulting in better image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The camera is said to have a 20-megapixel resolution, so photos will be sharp and detailed. It might also support an adjustable aperture, which would help control exposure in different lighting conditions for video. It is rumored to shoot 5.4K at 60 frames per second. This is a big deal for filmmakers and content creators who need high-resolution video with smooth motion. It might also support 10-bit D-Log, which would improve color grading and dynamic range, allowing for more professional-looking footage. If these leaks are true, the Neo 2 could be a great option for aerial photographers and videographers. Flight performance is another area where the Neo 2 could see major improvements. Leaks suggest it will have a top speed of 60 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest drones in its class. The battery life could be extended to 40 minutes per charge, which would allow for longer flights without needing to swap batteries as often. It might also include OcuSync 4.0, which would provide a more stable connection and longer transmission range. These features would make the drone more reliable and better suited for long-range flights. Another exciting rumor is full-direction obstacle avoidance. The Neo 2 is expected to have sensors on all sides, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles more effectively. There are also reports that DJI is using AI to improve tracking and navigation, which would make flying even safer. Smart features like Active Track 5.0 and Point of Interest 4.0 might also be included. These would allow the drone to follow subjects more smoothly and capture cinematic shots with less manual control. Design improvements could also be coming. Reports say the Neo 2 will have a foldable body like the Mavic series. This would make it more compact and easier to carry for travel and outdoor shooting. Another possible upgrade is the remote controller. It might come with a built-in touchscreen, which means users won't need to connect a smartphone for live view and controls. This would make setup faster and more convenient. Connectivity is another area where the Neo 2 might improve. Leaks suggest it could support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster and more stable connections. DJI may also improve software integration, allowing for better live streaming to platforms like YouTube and easier control through the DJI Fly app. These upgrades would make sharing footage and managing flights more seamless. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 could be a major step forward in drone technology. It is expected to have a better camera, longer battery life, faster flight speeds, and smarter obstacle avoidance. These upgrades could make it one of the most capable drones for both professionals and hobbyists. The rumored 1-inch sensor with 20 megapixels would improve image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Its ability to shoot 5.4K video at 60 frames per second would also make it a great option for filmmakers. If these leaks are true, the Neo 2 could be a game-changer for aerial photography and videography, setting new standards in the drone industry. DJI has not officially confirmed these details yet, but if the rumors are true, the Neo 2 could be one of the best drones of the year. What do you think about these possible upgrades? Are you excited for the DJI Neo 2? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest drone news.